Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a ride for someone else on the Lyft app. So the first thing that you want to do is log on to the Lyft app. Next, click on Change Rider, and then it's going to ask you to send a ride to friends. So you can read these details here, then click on Add Rider. Afterwards, on this page here, you need to select their name or phone number. So we're going to go ahead and select this example right over here, then click on Add this rider. Afterwards, it's going to go ahead and invite them to Lyft. And so with that, they do need to have a Lyft account in order for you to send them a ride. Now keep in mind that if they don't have a Lyft account, this feature will not be available to them. So click on Invite to Lyfts, and then from their end, you should see the on-screen prompts to go ahead and schedule a ride for them. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and schedule a ride for someone else on the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.